Hello everybody, Matt here with another video, and I'm really excited for today because I'm holding in my hand, I'm filming with the new GoPro Hero 10 Black Edition. Today's video is going to be about me taking this on a hike and seeing how it fares. It's not really going to be, a comprehensive review. It's just going to be having a bit of a play. This is a present from me to me. I want to improve my vlogging all the time. I'm always looking for ways to do that. For some time now, I've had a bit of an issue with my Canon DSLR. It's not easy to just whip out and do a quick piece to camera like this or capture movement, so like skiing or like driving. So we're going to head back to the car now, head over to the hike that we're going to do, and yeah, let's just see how this goes. Let me know what you think at the end of the video. Hey, it's here. Well, this is great because now I get to show you what it's like filming with the GoPro 10 in the snow. There's about 2 inches on the ground at the moment, bit of sleet and hail being mixed in as well. And another example actually of filming in low light. I think by all accounts the GoPro has fared pretty well. Again, it's just sort of so nice to have something simple that I can keep in my pocket and whip out, but I think it handled quite well in the forest area. It was getting quite dark at times. It seems to be quite stable and the quality is good, and filming in 4K 60 frames per second, so there's going to be lots of times to get some good footage from this during the winter season for sure. So there we go guys, that is a bit of a test of the GoPro Hero 10 Black Edition outdoors, hiking, driving and in the snow, which was a bit unexpected. In less than 2 weeks I am going to have it right on the top of my ski helmet here as I descend down the slopes, and I cannot wait. Now I don't really want to do like a review of this, that's already been done. Just one thing to say though, the screen has frozen up on me a few times, but other than that, it's been great. I've enjoyed it. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about the GoPro Hero 10 in the comments below. If you have enjoyed this video, hit the like button. And of course, if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe to the channel. Our next goal is 800 subscribers, so let's try and reach that soon, guys. Thanks for watching. This has been Matt, and I will catch you in the next video.